Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 5 of natural numbers and whole numbers, isn't it? Now coming to the second question, rearrange the numbers and then multiply them. Rearrange. Now not only the distributive property, the other properties also we have to remember. Now 125 into 488 into 8. Now in this, remember 125 into 8, write first, then 488. Why? We will see now. Now underline 125 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. Into 488. So this you have to keep it in mind. 125 8s are, it is 1000. 25 4s are 100. 125 8s are 1000. Now multiply. It is 488 as it is and 3 zeros. Understood? So this is the way. Rearrange and multiply. So it will be easy to solve. Now coming to the question number B. As I have told you, 25 4s are 100. So that you keep it separate. So 625 into 20, 25 into 4. Now underline separately, multiply this 0 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 6s are 12, and you know 25 4s are 100. So it will be 125. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Count and put the zeros. So 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma. So you got 12,50,000. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number C. It is a 16 into 125 into 8 into 625. Okay, you already know 125 8s are 1000, isn't it? So write it first. 125 into 8. Now remaining is 16 into 625. Group it. So 125 8s is 1000 into. Now 16 into 125 will be 10,000. When you multiply and see, you will get 10,000. So remember, 25 4s are 100. 125 8s are 1000. 625 16s are 10,000. Now 1, and how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it will be 1 crore. Okay. Now coming to the question number D. 25 is 100. So here all the numbers which are when we multiply, it comes in 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. That you have to group it separately. You have to remember this, okay? So now 25s are 100 into 1975. 5. So 1975 as it is and 2 zeros. Okay. Hope you are confident getting used to the method. Now coming to the question number E. Already you know 8 into 125. Write it first. What's remaining? 25 and 40. So underline 8 into 125, 25 into 40. So 125 8s are 1000. Now you know 25 4s are 100 and this 0. Now it will be 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 10 lakh. Okay. Now here you already know 625 into 16. How much you got? 10,000. So write it first. 625 into 16. Now 200 into 50. Group it. Now here the answer will be 10,000. Now 2 5s are 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1 and now how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 10 crores. Is it easy? So you have to remember 25 4s are 100, 125 8s are 1000, 625 16s are 10,000. And group them separately and then multiply the others. Then it will be easy, isn't it? Now coming to the question number 3rd. Find the product using the distributive property. Now remember the distributive property, isn't it? So something is common and you have to put plus and minus signs in between. Remember? Now it is 241 into 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. Yes or no? So 241 into, it is common for both these, into the first number. Sign is plus, bracket open, 241 into the second number. Now here it is 241 as it is and 2 zeros plus. Now multiply. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. So now add 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 8, 8, 1 plus 6, 7, 4 plus 1, 5 and 2. Answer is 25,787. Now coming to question number B. It is 685 into 94 can be written as 100 minus 6. So it will become 685 into, first number is 100. Now put the sign minus, bracket open, 685 into the second number is 6. Now here it will be 685 as it is and 2 zeros minus 6 5s are 30, 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51, 6 6s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And now you subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1 means 10 minus 1 is 9, Now here 4 is there. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 as it is. It is 64,390. Okay. So we have to add or subtract whichever number is nearest to 10, 100, 1000, like that. So in this 995, you have to split, isn't it? So it is a 439 into 995 can be written as 1000 minus 5. So it becomes 439 into 1000 minus 439 into 5. Hope you are understanding. The 439 is common for 1000 and 5. In between minus sign. Okay, here it will be 439 and 3 zeros minus 5 nines are 45, 5 threes are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 4, 5 fours are 20, 21. Now subtract. 0 minus means 10 minus 5 is 5. Now here it is 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. Now here it is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 as it is. 4 as it is. So from one side you have to go on subtracting. And when you borrow, remember how much will be remaining and all. Okay. Now in this, which is to be split 1009, है ना, 1009 को split करने का है, तो पहले हम इसको रीअरेंज करेंगे. आप लोगों को तकलीफ होता है, इसके लिए पहले उसको रिवर्स में लिखो. 1392 पहले लिखो, 1009 बाद में लिखो. तो 1392 into, so 1009 can be written as 1000 plus 9. So 1392 into 1000 plus 1392 into 9. So no? Now 1392 and 3 zeros plus 9 twos are 18, 9 nines are 81, 82, 9 threes are 27, 27, 30, 35, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you add 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 5, 5. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1. So you got 14,04,528. Now coming to the question number E, 98 has to be split. 100 minus 2. So rearrange first. 553 into 98. Now split 98. 553 as it is. 100 minus 2. So it will become 553 into 100 minus 553 into 2. Hope you are confident of the method now. So 553 into the first number, sign is minus, 553 into 2. Okay, now 553 and 2 zeros minus 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 11. Now subtract. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 is remaining, 9 minus 0, 9. Now here it is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 5 as it is. Practice this method of a horizontal addition subtraction. Otherwise it will be difficult for you, because we have to complete the sums within the fixed time. Otherwise you won't be getting the time to complete your paper. Okay, you have to be fast in a addition subtraction. Now coming to 999. This can be written as 1000 minus 1. Isn't it? So first rearrange 399